So here we are, part 2, the front bottom panel of a VW T25. As you see, the bottom is totally rusted out. The plan was to cut off the bottom here and weld on a new piece. Well, here it is, all cleaned up and treated. There's the bit welded in the bottom there. As you can see, I had to do it in a couple of bits. Also, remember there's a curve on this as well. And there it is, pretty much welded in, all but a few spots as I run out of welding wire on the Sunday. And as you can see inside there, I've done the final paint on it. So that it will be the colour of the van. Although the paint I've used in there is Jules paint, which you paint on by hand, though the outside of the van will be spray painted. You can see down the bottom there, still a tiny bit of welding left to do, but pretty much complete that front. You can see up the top here as well, I've nearly finished all that now. A little bit of work to do, a little bit of tidying up, finishing off. That's pretty much the front end almost done.